Good afternoon, teacher and classmates. Today we are going to talk about the three criteria to implement a good evaluation: reliability, validity, and practicality. But first, we must begin what is the object and then evaluation, which can have several objectives. However, one of the main ones in the educational improvement in which the results are used to identify the achievements problem of a student, provide them with feedback, and with this base improve planning so that identified problems can be overcome. There are several types of evaluation to measure progress in learning, some of which are diagnostic evaluation, formative evaluation, summative evaluation, mean evaluation, objective-based evaluation, or intermediate or reference evaluation. However, regardless of the type of evaluation, it must contain at least three criteria to be considered adequate, this being reliability, validity, and practicality. The validity of the test. We could say that to speak of validity is to value one of learning from another, considering different type of decision, whether immediate or the immediate, subject to the future. For resolving treatment of the validity of meaning, we should anticipate obtaining the voice of those involved, an issue that must be taken into account. The number two is the reliability of the test. It has to do with the consistency of the result obtaining in the administration of the test. That is to affirm that a test is reliability when it is administered again. It produce a similar result, which lead to the conclusion that they have a high degree of reliability. Practicality. It is the conjunction if the test occur in the three aspects. It's a manageability, the ease of analysis and interpretation of its result and drawing of conclusion, and finally the evaluation of the economic of time, effort, the cost of the realization. The three aspects must be considered together to assess the practicality, although it can be noted a priori that the less time necessary for all the above, the greater the practicality. In other words, practicality is relevant when allowing more frequent evaluation, which is the consequence benefits for the teaching and the learning. Finally, there is four element called the test utility, which referring to satisfying the specific needs of the learning and teaching process, which answer the question that the users will be given to the result obtained, which must be useful for the teaching of the teachers, as well as to reorient the student. Student learning or depend it for the teacher's knowledge about the type of the student learning. So far, my participation. Until a new opportunity. Bye-bye.